Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Honda Odyssey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.